Okay, for you 98 to 2002 Lincoln Continental 4.6 liter owners, the part number for your spark plug boots, I just got done doing the tune-up on this, is F7LZ 12A402 double apple. And the part number for your spark plugs is SB433. Just got done doing plugs and boots for the coils. I always try to do that because these get soft and break down, but normally you don't have to replace these. These are a little soft. And the customer said, you know what, just do it up. Do everything. I love this car too much. Just go ahead and get it all freshed up. Okay, I will. Whatever you say, you're the boss. Just for you guys and your part numbers.